Unang sabak pa lang ng Sigabo ay sobrang inabangan na nga ito ng mga fans. Marami ang pinakilig nila Coco Martin at Julia Montes sa kanila nga pong tambalan. Sa takbo ng istorya, gabi-gabi ay inaabangan ito ng mga manonood. Kaya namang walang duda na si Coco Martin talaga ang king of primetime. Pero marami din ang tila na babahala sa nasabi nga pong mga eksena sa Sigabo. Mayroon daw kasing hindi magagandang eksena katulad ng patuloy na paggamit ng mararahas na salita at ganun din ang mga aksyon. Kaya naman sila ay nagkaroon ng patawag sa MTRCB at narito po ang naging pahayag ng MTRCB at review. The Movie and Television Review and Classification Board, MTRCB, conducted a compliance seminar for the production team of the hit primetime series Sigabo. As part of this continuing responsableng paggabay initiative, after it received complaints on the alleged excessive depiction of violence in the program. The seminar was conducted at the MTRCB office in Quezon City as an opportunity for dialogue between the board and the program's producers to develop a common understanding of the standards for age-appropriate content while acknowledging artistic creativity and responsible storytelling. The board's goal is to support the television industry in the development of engaging, socially relevant, and world-class programs while being mindful of their impact on viewers, especially children, said MTRCB Chairperson and CEO Lala Soto. CCM Film Productions, for its part, welcomed the initiative, saying it was grateful for the opportunity to learn more about the MTRCB standards as it reaffirmed its commitment to responsible content production. The MTRCB remains dedicated to its mandate of responsible media regulation by working with, guiding, and constructively engaging content creators as part of its mission to protect Filipino audiences through informed and responsible viewing. Kaya naman huwag malungkot ang mga fans ng Sigabo dahil sa madaling salita, hindi ipapahinto o ipapasara ang programa. Sa halip, pinatawag ang production team sa isang compliance seminar matapos sa mga reklamong natanggap ng MTRCB tungkol sa umano'y labis na karahasan sa palabas. Layunin ng seminar na paalalahanan ang mga producer tungkol sa responsableng paggawa ng content at pagsunod sa mga alituntunin ng MTRCB. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.